Welcome everyone, this is the easy installation guide for Framer plugins. So let's dig into it. We just need to open up our terminal and copy up this code right here. And it will provide us to fill in the name of our plugin. So we go ahead and just wait until it's installed. Once it's installed, we just need to go to our folder. We just go cd for change directory, go to our plugin name folder. Once we are standing over there, we just can go ahead and type npm run dev. Our plugin will start on a server. Right here we can see here's our plugin hosted on localhost. And to open up in Framer, we just need to go to this little icon Framer right here, to plugins, show developer tools, make sure this is checked, and then just go Command K, open development, type open development, and right here you will see your plugin. By default, the normal plugin that is installed comes with a code that the plugin just inserts a logo in the desired frame. But now that you have your plugin installed, you can go ahead and open your favorite IDE code editor and just open the folder where you installed your plugin. And right here in the code editor, you can start to play with the code and write your own plugin, and you will see the changes reflected in Framer and in your right here on your hosted plugin. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and don't forget to follow. Thank you.